Hello everyone. Today, we are going to learn about a beautiful word. Mellifluous. Let's discover what it means together. Mellifluous means a sound that is very sweet and smooth. It's a sound that feels nice to hear. Like music to your ears. Let's break this word into parts. Mel means honey or sweet. Flu means flow or smooth movement. And os means full of. So mellifluous is full of sweet, flowing sounds. What sounds are mellifluous? A singer's soft voice, birds singing in the morning, or wind blowing gently through the trees. These are all mellifluous sounds. You hear mellifluous sounds every day. Calm music playing softly, someone whispering gently, water flowing in a peaceful stream, or leaves rustling in the breeze. This word is special because it describes sounds that make us feel happy and calm. It's a beautiful way to talk about the sounds we love. When can you use this word? When talking about music you enjoy, when describing a voice that sounds pleasant, or when telling someone about beautiful nature sounds. Let's learn how to say it. Mellifluous. Say it slowly with me, mel-leaf-lu-us. Mellifluous. You've got it. Let's remember the key points. Mellifluous means sweet and smooth sounds. It comes from words meaning honey and flow. And we use it to describe pleasant voices and nature sounds. Now it's your turn. Listen carefully today for sweet, smooth sounds around you. When you hear them, you can say, "That's mellifluous." Thank you so much for watching. Remember to feel the beauty of mellifluous sounds every day. They're all around you, waiting to be noticed. See you next time.